This time, Ghana.
I'm gonna make mine.
Yeah, that's the only way, dog. To help in Instagram.
Instagram for the followers. Mangala, Paju.
And when the followers doesn't increase your bank balance, Joe. That's what they don't get.
To other mentors, it boosts their bank balance because I get it special.
Hey, boy, man, those specials are easy, dog. Imagine 350, 150, 100. Yeah, ne.
It's not easy, my man.
Hey, man, in same Kazan, they go to Forex in this. Mutita, oh, muna, akayeta 500K, ne. Mara, sheba situation ya kopitori. Udula ko kasi, Joe. Ah, come on, James.
Yeah.
Like some people, they don't understand. Some of us are lawyers like chelete. Ko marketing. Some of us are chelete ko the clients. That's what they don't understand.
You remember the old Manando?
Yeah.
The one who used to.
If you're making money, why not delete Instagram and focus on yourself? Hey, Chief, you don't know what's the aim of what I'm doing, dog. I don't come here with your negative comments, bruh. You don't know what I'm doing. There's a reason why I'm on Instagram. I'm not here to like look at people's lifestyle and stuff. Hey, mfano wa ntella dog. Hey, mfano wa tella dog. Hey, mfano wa tella nyati. Mfano wa tella. And the man was licking my ass on my DMs asking me for courses, dog. Hey, mfano wa tella, Joe. Man, how can you lick my ass on my DMs asking for courses, but they will know about I must delete Instagram for helping people. I will not try myself. I am sick. Oh, man, block, sick, block. Any negative comments, we block, sick, block. We block. Everywhere, guys. So yeah, James. Yeah, so what's going on? It's sad, boy. For those that missed the live yesterday, I got blocked. So it's the Nasdaq Ninja situation. You see, Nasdaq Ninja, I warned you guys about him earlier this year, but then you guys were fighting me with it. This guy doesn't do account maintenance and this and that. Then I posted the proof about it. Dog. Then what happened? Now he's getting angry at every mentor, dog, even his close friends. Because of, dog, let me tell you something. Those James, dog, just be careful, dog. Be careful of who you guys follow, dog. Be careful of who you guys give your money to, James. That's all I'm saying. Because all that shit ends in tears. And after that, they fucking block you, boy. Me, dog, nowadays, dog, like, if I warn you about a mentor and you get scammed by him, I'm not gonna entertain it, boy. I'm not gonna entertain it anymore, eh? How many times must I warn you guys, dog? Because now I'm pushing a movement of helping people, dog. With courses and shit like that. I wanna help people with courses, dog. I don't have time to expose scammers. The same scammers every fucking time, bro. I gotta move to new things, dog. Because now, how many times must I warn you guys about this guys, dog? Then you guys still go to the same person. James. Alakwatisa, Majita. Alakwatisa. Majita, alakwatisa. Manando.
Fun.
Yeah, dog. You see what I'm talking about in faith. But like, we should blame. In a way, no, we should blame also the students that chose to be under Ninja, dog, and because
And tell us about how good it is.
bro, like you know how many people you know how many followers are saying, "Hey, Ninja is good, this and that," but you find out that they're not even his students, dog.
And I believe that, man.
Hey bro, batho ba llata ko ninja mfethu.
But it is what it is.
Hey boy, some niggas that thought the way your bras, they try to tarnish your name down just because of their shit that they doing, dog. That's the most fucked up part.
So that
Nice
man,
boy.
let's let him be how he is.
Yeah, like I had a similar situation as you yesterday because there was this other boy, man, that was trying to talk shit about me, man. So I exposed the man's activities and he was trying to cover up his tracks. He was mentioning, hey, you should stop exposing mentors like both stylish and shit like that. Hey, you gonna get hurt, hey, what. Hey. I mean like dog, what the fuck? How's that your business, dog?
Right, man. The money
Mhm.
to show Reggae him fan. Why did he block us?
Hey, mfethu.
Are we continue? Tell us to la rona la trader day.
Yeah, hey, demo ye muna i-sexy muna. Ay.
Kabalaya.
Boy, a re bolaya demo mfanaka. E le nna
Mano,
ke emetse. O bone Euro GBP setup na. Ah, le nna ke emetse monna. A ke emetse ko daily chart jo. Ke emetse setup ya ka e dlale ko daily chart dog. So no, ke tlo etsa, I'm just going to take out my chick. Wa
imagine,
bona ke
imagine a fan who was inspired by me is now a hater.
Eish boy. Ah, that's a big move, dog. That's a big move. Ah, but then nah, dog. Today, ne? Today I'm not gonna touch the chart because I'm waiting for my daily setup. So I'm just gonna take out my chick and I'm just gonna enjoy my life with my chick. Ah, the rest fuck them, fanaka. I don't care about other gents because now I'm just gonna take care of my chick today and recover na pele, dog. Ah, tse di muna ke na taba jo.
And the Bahrain, pana.
Eh? Orin. Uko kae jo? Uko something? Where you at Starbucks? I can see you at Starbucks, Ijo.
Once it's a deal, man. Aku wish up boy rin.
Here are you at Starbucks?
Huh?
Are you at Starbucks? Kawan nang kaki Starbucks niya, nada.
Yeah.
Ato, tetapi ya bona dope tajo.
Yeah?
Epala ya rona da mo ke dulang.
I'm fan. Na rin sir no way. Aralwele mfan.
Yeah. But otherwise, kita bona later, ne?
Sure. Ngano fita. That's it. Yeah.
Alright, turn up chat, that's fine.
Sure.
Stop.